This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Nancy Torres. Beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bathroom spacious home in Sherman, Texas. This recently built open floor plan home includes a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinets, granite countertops with designer backsplash, upgraded lighting fixtures and blinds, vinyl wood flooring in all common areas and new paint throughout inside. The master suite is large with a huge walk-in closet, and the master bathroom includes granite countertops and shower with custom tile work. The home is equipped with energy-efficient central air and electric heat with programmable thermostat, remote ceiling fans in all bedrooms, and washer and dryer connections, in addition to full lawn sprinkler system, and a 2-car garage. The backyard is huge and includes a covered patio and faces a greenbelt for privacy. This home is located in a new subdivision that is conveniently located just off FM 1417. Ready for immediate move-in. Rent is $2,099. Please make sure you meet all the tenant requirements below. For more information,